I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Today I'm here to talk to you about our Deck Restoration Plus product, and it's our Stripper Plus. We call it DRP Stripper Plus, and it's a game changer all across the industry. Everybody's talking about this. There's posts all over social media about it. It's what it does on solid stains and paints and polyurethanes and so forth, and the results you can get when you find these kind of decks or wood surfaces that have these kind of film forming stains on them. So I want to talk to you and get right into what we're going to talk about with the DRP Stripper Plus. Like I said, it's a game changer. If you're a contractor, you want this in your inventory. If you're a distributor, you want to carry this product. It will be a game changer. Most people are doing that already, and it's catching fire. And I appreciate all the people that use it, continue to use it, and are posting it on social media. Your results are amazing. Thank you. All right, now, as we talk about, and by the way, this is also available in 5-gallon pails too. So I'm just showing you a gallon to give you an example. We also have it on 5-gallon pails, and you can find that at deckandwoodstain.com. Deckandwoodstain.com. Anyway, I'm going to end here, and I'm going to take you around and show you what we've done on this deck, and wait till you see the results. Sorry about the sun and some of the shading as we go around, but you'll get the idea.
Deck Restoration Plus, Deck and Wood Stain.
All right, so what we have here is a green railing, and we use it when we use these film forming products. We usually do that because of colors and so forth, but they used green on the railing, and there was actually green on the floor. And if you look, you'll see some green tones in there, and we see them in the nails and the screws too. There's more as we go around the side. What happened was they wanted to hide the green, so they went to a darker brown solid. So we had two solid stains on here, and what we did was we took that DRP Stripper Plus and put it on here, and we couldn't get this real good right here, but wait till you see the rest of this. If you can do this, we got over 90% of this off the deck. Getting 90% off of this deck, we can just sand the rest, and we can go back to a natural on the floor for these people. That is a key. That's a game changer. We're also going to do the railings tomorrow, but game changer, because that's what peels, that's what gets scratched. That is the problem for most customers, most end users. They don't want that peeling. So let's take a look around, follow me around, and we'll look here, and you can see the floor as we go. I mean, we're talking 90, like I said, 90%. There's some tough stuff over here. We come over here and most of it's off. And then take a look down the steps, and they're usually the hardest parts too. Almost all completely off there. DRP Stripper Plus. If you get an 80, 90, 95% off and you can sand the floor, you could be a hero for that customer. That's what it'll do for you. Make sure, again, if you're a contractor, have it in your inventory. Use the product. It's a game changer. You get more money for the jobs. You take on these jobs that other people can't do. If you're a distributor, you gotta carry it in your stock so people can come in and get it. Again, DRP Stripper Plus. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thank you for checking out the product and our video.